Good evening, class. Today we're going to do chapter 4. Tonight we're going to do chapter 4, lesson 1, the second day. And we're going to be working on solving real-world problems. So word problems involving ratio. So I just got a bunch of practice problems. There's nothing really to teach you, but just figured I'd go through a bunch of word problems here to help you get acclimated to what we're going to be doing in class. First one, there were 55 adults and 32 children at a party. Find the ratio of the number of adults to the number of children. Adults to children. So one of the other things that you can do is you could actually write out the part that they're asking you to do, and then underneath you can put adults, 55. To the number of students, which is 32. It's that easy. 55 to 32 would be your answer. Once again, the key is trying to figure out what they're comparing. It's not necessarily the question. It's not, the information they give you. You got to make sure you're finding it in the question. Next, John keeps 17 angelfish and 24 guppies. Find the ratio of number of angelfish to the number of guppies. So 2, and we're comparing angelfish to guppies. So angelfish is 17. And guppies is 24. So 17 to 24. If you're going to fill this out, this would be the 24. And then this would be 41 up here. This would be the total number of fish. Number 11, Alex has a string 72 centimeters long. He cuts it into 2 pieces. Piece 1, piece 2. The length of the shorter piece is 31. What is the ratio of the length of the longer piece to the total length? Well, we know the total length. That's 72. But they do not give us the longer. So how would we do that? Well, you take the length of the whole item and you would subtract it from 31. Oops, 72. Excuse me. Let's get ahead of myself. And 31. And when you subtract 72 from 31, you get 41. So the answer would be 41 to 72. Next example, the ratio of the number of white parrots to green parrots is 7 to 8. So what I like to do is I just like to do what we're comparing, W to G. I like to get it on, especially when they do it in a problem like this, and I just like to get what each one is. So this is not your answer, but this is white to green, so we know. What is the ratio? Describe the number of green to the total number. Well, green to total, T for total. Well, green we know is 8. To get the total, we just have to add 7 and 8 together, which gives us 15. Next one, the ratio of the number of male teachers to female is 5 to 9. So male to female is 5 to 9. And it's cool. What fraction of the teachers are female? So A, the numerator would be the number of female teachers. The denominator would be the total number, which would be 14, 9 over 14. That is in simplest form. And B, what is the fraction of male teachers? So that would be 5 over 14, which is also in simplest form. The height of a coconut tree is 48 feet, and the height of a papaya tree is 12. So coconut, papaya, so it's 48 to 12. That's not your answer, but that's what they are if you were writing the ratio. How many times the height of the papaya tree is coconut tree? Well, they give you the formula here. It's height of coconut tree divided by papaya tree. So let's just put those numbers in. 48 over 12. And when you divide 48 by 12, remember this line means divide. You get 4. The height of the coconut tree is 4 times the height of the papaya tree. That's it. Those are all the examples. These are some of the easier word problems we'll do all year. In class tomorrow, we'll wrap up this lesson by doing page 126, 9 to 13. Have a good night. We'll see you tomorrow.